Okay, how to draw He-Man. We'll start with a circle, the cross on it. This will be the start of his face. Right? And this is the distance right here to the chin, and the chin's going to be, it's going to come down at a slight angle. And this part's going to be at the bottom of an octagon. His chin is very important. Okay, now we're going to have the mouth go straight across to give a good smile. And we're going to have the eyes be right here. And have them be an eye width apart. The nose. And iconic eyebrows. Alright, his neck is wide like here. Pretty much goes to this point here. Let's erase these construction lines. Oh, we don't want to forget where this line was. You gotta put this nice cheekbone. Makes them look stronger. And also right here, about where the chin is this hairline. It goes up like this and then up like that. Okay. And then he's got the two hair here and like a point, or like points on the sides here. They come down. There you go. There you go, He-Man, or Prince Adam. But we know we're drawing He-Man, so after he transforms, he's got the outfit, which he's got this plate that's almost the size of his head. And this is the symbol on it. And about up to his chin as well is where his arms come down. This goes up here. And of course he's got it going down here too, if you've seen the pictures of him. Right? He's got some chest lines here, up here, and his shoulders are almost as big as his head. They're so big. Just like that. Been really good. So there's He-Man. And if you like this image, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is He-Man, the master of the universe.